The mass of a wrestler is given as 75.6 kg. A. Illustrate the lower and upper bands of this mass on a number line. B. Using m kg for the mass, express the range of values in which m must lie as an inequality solution. From this question, you will observe that we don't have anything like nearest whole number, nearest one decimal place, nearest two significant figures. It's not given at all. Now, the first thing you need to do is that you have to observe the number. Looking at this number, this is 75.6. We can say this number has been approximated to this. There's a particular number approximated to this value. And this value is in what decimal place? 1 decimal place. And we can also say, looking at from what we have here from the left, if you can't, 1, 2, 3. This number is in what? 3 significant figures. But the most important thing you need to consider is the last number. What is the last number after decimal point? The last number after decimal point here is what? Is 6. What is the place value of this 6? That is tenths. And that is like 1 decimal place. Take note of that. So tenths, looking at tenths here, which represent what? 1 over 10. And that is what? 0.1. Now we determine the error for the bands. For the error, what are we going to have? We are going to have plus or minus 0.1 divided by 2. And that will give us plus or minus 0.05. Now, the next thing for us to do is to determine the lower band. Before we can illustrate this on a number line, we need to determine the lower band and the upper band. Now, for the lower band, we are going to have what? What we have here, okay, we have 75.6 kg, that is minus 0.05, which is in kg, and this will give us 75.55 kg. That is for the lower band. We also need to find the upper band. For the upper band, what are we going to have? We're going to have 75.6 plus 0.05 kg. This will give us what? 75.65 kg. So in this case, we can have our range of values on a number line. So let's do that. On a number line, what are we going to have? Since we know our upper band and lower band, we have this. Now, the lower band is what? 75.5 kg. Then the upper band is what? We have 75.65 kg. Now from here, for the lower band, we know that this value is strictly equal to this and is less. That is, we are going to have 75.55 kg less than or equal to the mass number. So here we are going to shade. And for this part, it's not equal to this. Because if you approximate 75.65, for example, to 1 decimal place, what will I have? 75.7. Is it equal to this? No. So hence, the number we have in here is less than this value. So that is why we are going to have this to be unshaded. And now we are going to join from the lower band to the what? To the upper band. This shows the range of values for the mass on the number line. Now, for the B part of the question, we have to express the range of values so that that actual value, the actual mass, represents m, in which the inequality must lie. So in that case, let's write the inequality using m. So we have m, then the lower bound, which is what, 75.55, that is less than or equals to m, and strictly less than 75.65. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.